Okay, so we are going to start with some very basic origami. And right now, this is the tutorial for how to make an origami piano. All right, so first start with your piece of origami paper. If you don't have origami paper at home, you can make your own origami paper. And I do have a video tutorial on how to do that on my channel. So I want my flowers to be on the outside, so I'm going to flip this over. So I have a nice yellow interior. We're going to start by folding our piece of paper in half, rotate it, fold it in half the other way. Now, if you notice in the directions, it has the opening at the bottom because it has our arrow pointing down. So I want to make sure I turn my piece of paper. If you open it up, you should see that you've made 4 squares. So just keep the mouth open at the bottom. The next thing we want to do is bring the edges into the middle. We want to line it up into the middle. So I have this nice crease here. I know it's hard to see, but I have a nice crease here. So I'm going to bring this outside edge to the crease. And if I go too fast, just slow down the video or watch it again. Now, I do open it so I can see that crease again, and I'm going to bring this outside edge inside one more time to line it up. Perfect. And I like nice sharp creases, so I'm going to take a marker. You can use a pencil or a crayon or just your finger down and rub it across to make sure you have nice sharp creases. Now again, remember the bottom should still be the open part. It should still be the mouth. So making sure that the mouth is still open on the bottom, I should be able to open it and see yellow. Yeah, I do. Now the next part is tricky. So I want you to take your finger. You're going to slide it inside. This is like a door. Slide it all the way inside the door to the very top, to this very point. And you're going to move your hand so that you can see the inside of your paper. Now, you're going to take your other hand, flatten it out, and as you slowly pull your finger out, you want to line up the outside crease with the inside crease. Okay. So this is the beginning of house, right? You have to make house in order to make piano. We're going to do that again on the other side. So open your door, take your finger, put it inside the door, go all the way up to the very top, and then take your hand and you're going to slowly flatten it down and line up this outside crease with the inside crease. And then we're going to try to make sure we have points. So now we have just made house. This is house. So, but it's also the first part of piano. Now this is asking us to fold up the interior piece. So if you take your fingers inside this door, there's a flap. So you're going to pick up the flap and bring it up to this edge of the house. Just like that. So once again, I just brought it from the bottom. I'm bringing it up to the edge of the little roof of my house. Now it's asking me to fold it one more time. See how it's asking me to fold it one more time up? So we're going to fold this up one more time. So that it's now the bottom edge is lined up with the house. Try not to rip it. If you rip it, it's okay. It happens. And then step 7 says close the doors. So you're going to take it, this outside piece, and we already have this nice crease here. So we're going to stick with that crease and just close the door. Right? So we're going to close it right along this crease. The crease goes all the way up from the top. Close it. Awesome. Okay. Step 8. Stand it up. Stand it up. I'm going to open the doors just a little bit so it tries to stand up by itself. Then give it the step from another angle. Lift the flap hand. Right. Boom. That's it. There's your piano. That's all we have to do. So here's what we did. We were here. Number 8 says open the doors, stand it up. And step 9 says pull this piece down. And you have a piano. So it looks like this. This beautiful little piano. Super cute. I hope you like this tutorial. I can't wait to see what you make. And I'll see you guys next time.